Hello. Today we will review Toniebox audio player starter set with Woody, Simba, Nemo, Baloo, Playtime puppy. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about best features. New and innovative audio player for kids 3+ that is great for bedtime stories, music, and education. A screen-free listening experience that inspires your kids' imagination in ways that overstimulating flashing screens do not. Easy-to-use design that even the youngest children can operate independently. Playback starts automatically when Tony's audio characters are placed on the Toniebox. Pressing the ears changes the volume. Tapping the sides changes tracks. Starter set includes a red Toniebox, charging station, red headphones, Woody from Disney's Toy Story, Simba from Disney's The Lion King, Nemo from Disney's Finding Nemo, Baloo from Disney's Jungle Book, and Playtime puppy Tony. Additional Tonys can be purchased separately. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 4.5 for durability. Rated 4.7 for easy to use. Rated 4.6 for value for money. 453 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.6 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and considered few of important reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For detailed review, please check the link in description. $314 happy users. Top selling product in market. Overall 4.6 star rated. 91% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is highly recommended to buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.